What's up, everybody? So this video that I'm posting is me and a couple guys doing some oil pump gears on a 2013 Mustang GT. Just a few clips just so you guys can see what's involved in doing these oil pump gears. This vehicle also has a Pro Charger on it, so it makes it a little bit more difficult, you know, just some extra stuff that's got to be taken off. But anyways, just a few clips, nothing too in depth, but hope you guys enjoy it.
I need that shit for the cloud.
Well, we're getting there. Take all that shit off there.
Damn, 11, really?
Almost ready to take off that timing cover. Alright. Let's get that timing cover off.
Watch out with the sensors right here. The VCT sensor.
There it goes. Get this harness out of the way. And it's off. Yeah, you're gonna need
a new gasket for sure.
You're gonna need a new gasket. Well, maybe not.
No, it just ripped.
Did it? Well, there's two pieces to it.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, there's
Okay.
a left and a right. That's the pickup tube right there that we got to get those two nuts, and there's one way down underneath there that we got to get out. See it down there? Right there. Yeah, no, that's what he bought that little thin wrench for. And we use the magnet so it won't fall into the pan. But so now, pickup tube and timing chains and tensioners. Actually, we need to put it to top dead center first, so we gotta do that. All right. Ooh, pretty. All vacuum sealed and everything. Coyote Mustang.
The good shit.
I mean, there's really no.
That's right, dude.
Yeah.
All right. Who's gonna drop it?
Drop test. Drop it?
We're gonna do oil pump gear drop test. Maybe Mike should do it because he's taller. You're supposed to do it from like eye level. Let's see. All right,
ready?
Go for it. Sounded pretty solid. Usually a crack on the edge.
Ready?
Yeah. Yep. Last one I saw, it took like 5 or 6 drops, and then it finally.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, there it went. You hear it?
Oh shit, there it is.
Yeah. There's the crack.
Yeah. Put it back in.
Yep. Now let's put it back in.
Yes. Try to make a break.
Yep. There it goes. There goes one piece.
Damn boards.
All right. Let's see. Oh, we got that bitch apart. Damn, look at all that.
It is forged. That's why it breaks when it drops. It's because it's forged. Oh.
Alright, let's start putting it back together. Just show everybody the infamous pickup tube bolt. You can't even see.
Get under there?
Yeah, let me just see.
Barely in.
Barely in. Alright, let's see what we got here.
Barely. It's like one thread in. I'm trying to move more.
Ooh, that's the one right there. Bitch. Okay. Alright, I'll give it a shot. See if I can get a few turns on that sucker, but there's absolutely no room. Look at that.
Actually, I got an idea. I can do it.
Okay, timing chains are back in. About to pull the pin on the last tensioner. There it is. Sweet. Looks good. Everything lines up.
Oh, yeah.
New sprocket. Got that stupid ass little bolt in right there, that one, and Can't even see the other one, it's so far up in there. It looks good. It's coming together. All right. So here we are, day 2. We still got to put all of this crap into the car. But we're getting there.
Go for it before we have to pull it
Yeah,
out.
suck it in. Keep going.
I'm gonna stop going because this one's gonna fucking. It's too long, you know what I mean? It's like a
Oh, it's barely even longer than the other one.
This is all for the YouTube. It's all for the clout. It's all for the clout.
It's going. It's still moving. There you go. Sweet. All right. Everything's back together. First startup. Let's see what happens. Go for it. No leaks? Turn your heater on full blast. Looks good. You might think we were professional mechanics or something. All right, guys. High five. High five. Sweet. All right.